G'day everyone, just Jack Harper here from Allan Co out of Cowra with a market report from the October monthly store sale for Allan and the RMA Network. Just a shade over 5,000 yarded up here at CTLX today, almost 1,000 cows and calves in that, and then a reasonably even breakup of steers and heifers. The best of the steers today out to about $800 and just a shade over, but the majority anywhere from $500 to $700. Pretty well around $2 a kilo today, the best of them out to $2.10 or $20, and then any of the plainer lines down to about $1.70 or $80.
Right down the hill. That's 590 metres. What are that 590 bit? Quick! Pretty done at 590. Just jump over.
Into the heifers, they were very similar, around $2 a kilo, and then as they tailed off a bit lighter and a bit plainer, down to about $1.40 or $1.50. But yeah, anywhere from $1.80 to $2. Most of the heifers from $350 to $500, out to $600 for a very good pen. And then into the cows and calves, there's some very good Charolais cows, only young cows with calves at foot. The best of those out to a shade over $1,500, but the majority of the cows and calves here today anywhere from $900 to $1,200. Anyway, that's Jack Harper from Allan Gray for the RMA. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?